All right, so today we're just gonna divide, okay? And when we divide with decimals, we just treat them like any other number. We will do 145.8 divided by 12. With the decimal, we'll just put it straight up. So it just goes straight above where the decimal was. So 12 will go into 14 one time, which is 12. Sister subtract. 2 left over, brother bring down the 5. 12 goes into 25 2 times, which is 24. Sister subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down the 8. 12 goes into 18 one time. That's 12. Subtract. That's 6 left over. What you would do here is you would put a 0, and you would bring down the 0. 12 goes into 60, would be 5 times, which would be 60. 12 times 5 is 60. And this is a minus, and that's 0 left over. The reason why we put the 0 here is because you can't have a remainder when you're dealing with decimals. So you have to keep going. And to keep going, you add a 0 on here so that you have a number to bring down. So let's do another one here. Let's do 22.11 divided by 11. I'm going to take the decimal and I'm just going to put it right up here in the answer. 11 goes into 22 2 times, which is 11 times 2 is 22. Sister subtract will come out with 0. Brother bring down is the 1. 11 will go into 1 0 times, so we'll bring down the other 1. 11 will go into 11 1 time. That's 11. Sister subtract, that's 0. Okay? So if it can't go into that number, you put the 0 up there and then you bring down the next number. That's why we have 2.01 instead of 2.1, which would be very different. All right, next one, 38.4 divided by 16. All right, 16 times 2. Oh, let's put the decimal up. So the decimal is here. Let's put it right up here. 16 and 16. 6 and 6 is 12. This would be 32. So it goes 2 times, which would be 32. Sister subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6. Brother bring down the 4. I have no idea how many times 16 goes. So let's do 16 plus 16 is 32. That's 2 times. Plus 16 more would be 48. Which would be 3 times. And 16 more, 14, 5, 6, 64, which would be 4. So it goes 4 times, which is 64, and 0. So the answer is 2.4. You can go ahead and write the answers up here if you wish. If not, as long as it's clear what your answer is, like this, that's fine. You are doing numbers 3 through 8. So you finished the last 3. Ready to go.